Alright guys, we're left off on the last one. We had to put the kill switch in over here. Obviously that's done, and we're waiting for the battery to get done, so I didn't quite get it on the last one. But this show we're gonna do hood pistons on this car because it's dangerous to have them fall on your head, but you know. So it should be an easy install. We can literally come over here. Come down here a little bit. It's hard to see because I don't have no lights, but this little pry pin down here that you just pop out. Let me set this up here. Okay, same up here on top. Okay, now take the pressure off the hood a little bit, and it should pop right off. Now watch out because it will come down on you. Yeah. And this happens too, is your pin likes to fall back in. So you just gotta get back in there again, and again it comes right out. So now throw that one up there. Now you just pull these out again, same way. So you can get them up a little bit. You might not have to. Maybe it'll just pop it on there. Okay, yeah, so it does. Alright, so it pops on there. You don't have to get that out. And then this one, same thing. Alright, and we're in there. So there's one on this side, so now we have to repeat it over there because there's obviously two in this car. So, same thing. Pop this one out. Now this ain't a sponsored ad, this is just whatever I bought off Amazon. A little hard to see, but maybe turn the light on. Hey, there we go. I got some light now. Alright. Now, same thing. We're gonna pop this off. Alright, so it sticks out. And then, same up here. I'm gonna pop that out. Same thing, lift up a little bit on the hood with your shoulder, neck, I guess. Works all the same. Or you have someone hold it, one or the other, it doesn't matter. But doing it alone, like usually I do, it does what it does. And then make sure these clips are back in place where they're supposed to go. And that's it. So now, I guess we can see if she will. Oh no, I guess that'll be it. Till the end. Alright guys, see you on the next one.